The Bullhorn, Ansible community newsletter. Hi everybody, my name is Luca Burton and I'm an Ansible automation expert. First of all, Happy New Year and welcome to the Bullhorn, your go-to newsletter for everything in the Ansible community. This is my personal comment. Let me quickly remind you that the Bullhorn is called in this way because Ansible was originated from Durham, a city in the USA called as a nickname as a Bull City. So let's get meaty. Mark your calendar. Here are some key dates. First of all, as you can see, the 16th of January there is a documentation meeting, and if you take a closer look, we're gonna jump directly on the Ansible community forum that has the full calendar for 2024. So no excuse if we would like to contribute in any documentation working group meeting. Here is published the full agenda and will be updated based on your time zone. Cool, thank you. Another key date is for the community workgroup. This workgroup is focused more on how to engage with the community and how to make long-term decision about the project. As you can see, they are meeting very often, and here there is a full agenda and also log of a meeting that they already was executed. Thank you, kudos for this team, and I really like this very upfront with the community. They are very transparent with the community. So back on key dates, we can see that there is ATA for the next release of a Bullhorn in a couple of days, and then what else? The 29th of January will be a great day because there will be like a release date. This was announced also previous year, and after this winter holiday period, we will be back on track with a new release. We're expecting 2.16.3, 2.15.9 and 2.14.14. Also, the day after is expected a new Ansible community package, the Ansible 9.2.0, that will be part of with 2.16. Another announcement is about the FOSDEM. FOSDEM is a big event in Europe about open source and development that will be on 3rd and 4th of February in, if I'm not wrong, in Brussels. Yes, here we go. This has become a bigger and bigger and is the epicenter of the development community in Europe. So if you are nearby, it is really a great event. A lot of new folks. As traditional, this is happening in a university campus, and the University of Brussels is very welcoming for all the new members of the community. So if you have that opportunity, don't miss it out. Another interesting event is the configuration management camp that is happening just the day after in Ghent. Ghent is a lovely city in Belgium, so if you have the opportunity, extend your stay in Europe for just a couple of days and you have the opportunity to join also configuration management camp. This makes a lot of sense, especially for a configuration manager tool like Ansible, to have more insight from the community and understand what are the needs of public. On the general announcement, the Ansible community repository has been archived. Check out the presentation and meeting repos for new location. Also update your meeting calendar with a new iCalendar file. Big announcement on AWX project. Let me remind you that AWX project is the upstream project of the Ansible automation controller. The new release about 23.6.0 bring new features like a TLS certificate, authentication for HashiCorp Vault, and the AWX operator version 2.10.0. The operator can be installed in your Kubernetes cluster, so check it out, the release pages for more detail. On the collection update, we got a couple of new things. Check it out each for more details. There are releases from IBM, ZOS Core, Pure Storage, Flashable, Pure Storage Flash Array, and community.hashi_vault. Notably, community.docker pre-release 3.6.0 beta 1 is out with exciting new feature. Check it out, their respective changelog for detailed info. As always, this is a volunteer project, so any help will be interesting. And if you're interested in contributing in Ansible, there are plenty of easy fix or good first issue across various collection and project. Your contribution is always welcome. On the community update, we got a steampunk. The guys that are a bit behind the steampunk project has been compared to Ansible Lint. We got a detailed feature comparison for you, so see how they complement each other. Let's take a closer look, and I really like the design of this website. It's very clear, and there is like a very nice side-by-side analysis. I can see that you can see that the best differentiating value is the type of best practice check. Spotter is doing 31 checks, whereas Ansible Lint only 17. On the validation check, we got 54 to 10, and also security check 31 to 6. So generally, I think that both tools should be added in like a CI/CD pipeline. So this is a cool tool for enterprises, and let's continue our overview. Okay, so that's another event is scheduled on the Ansible community. Don't miss out the 15th of March for Ansible Zurich meetup. Will be the 15th Ansible Zurich meetup on March 5th, 2024. They are looking for speakers and sponsors. Details are on their meetup page. So if you are curious, check it out on this event page and take a look on them. It's a very nice event and very friendly environment. That's all for now. I would say that this is shorter than usual, but is expectable because it's the beginning of the year. I'm looking forward for the next bulletin. Let me remind you that this bulletin has become weekly. Previously was bi-weekly because there are so many news in the Ansible community nowadays. That's all for all. See you on the next video. Bye!